Hi guys, this is Organic Nomenclature and we are naming nitrile. So, the general formula for naming of nitriles is RCN, where R is the alkyl group and CN is the functional group. And in terms of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen, the formula would be CN H2N plus 1, and then we would have CN. CN being the nitrile group. So, since the functional group has a carbon atom in it, the functional group carbon will always be the first carbon atom. So, numbering of nitriles is fixed. So, the one having one carbon atom would be HCN, followed by CH3, CN, followed by CH3, CH2, CN, so on and so forth. So, the numbering would be 1, 1 and 2 here, 1, 2, and 3 here. The name of these compounds would be, in the first case, it would be methane, nitrile. The name of the parent compound is written completely. And in the second case, it would be ethane, nitrile. In the third case, it would be called propane, nitrile. The next would be called butane nitrile, followed by pentane nitrile, followed by hexane nitrile. So now if we introduce substituted groups in the parent carbon chain, we would have compounds like CH3, then we have CH, then we have CH, then we would have CN. So let's place an OH here and a CH3 here. So preference would definitely be given to the CN because it is always the first carbon atom. So numbering is fixed 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we've got two substitute groups, one being hydroxy, other being methyl. So in order to name the compound, alphabetical preference is given. So the name of the compound becomes 3 hydroxy 2 methyl butane nitrile. The next compound, we would introduce other substitute groups. So CH3, CH, C, CN. So we will introduce a chloro group, an OH group, and an NO2 group here. Numbering remains fixed. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the name would be written according to the alphabetical preference. So we've got a chloro, hydroxy, and nitro. So the name would be 2 chloro, 2 hydroxy, 3 nitro, and we've got a 4 carbon nitrile. So butane nitrile. Similarly, we can have another compound with multiple substitutions present on it, and let's place bromo here, nitro here, a methyl group here, and a hydroxy here. So in this case, we've got four substitutions present on a compound with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. So the numbering would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the name of this compound by giving alphabetical preference. So we've got bromo going first, followed by hydroxy, followed by methyl, and ending up with nitro as the fourth substitute group. So the name would be 5 bromo, then 4 hydroxy, 3 methyl, then we have 4 nitro, and the parent compound containing 6 carbon atoms would be hexane nitrile. And that is how we name nitriles. One more thing we need to remember is HCN is also the compound known as cyanide. So nitriles are also cyanides, HCN being the main compound known as cyanide.